What is up, what is up, what is up, everybody? Welcome to PE with Coach Wood. Today, what we're going to be working on is we're going to be working on HIIT, 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 HIIT. Everyone say that with me. Ready? HIIT. No, that sounded weird. Anyways, we're going to be doing HIIT today. Not H-I-T, but H-I-I-T. What HIIT stands for right here, high intensity interval training. All right, so what that looks like is this. We're gonna take today 4 different exercises, all right? And we're gonna do those in intervals, all right? So we're gonna have a very intense interval, and then we're gonna have a little break interval. Intense break, all right? So we're gonna start off doing jumping jacks today. All right, we're gonna do jumping jacks as hard as we can for 30 seconds, all right? So that's gonna be our high intensity interval. Then we're gonna take a little rest, a little break, all right? And when I say little, I mean very little, because it's gonna be about 10 to 15 seconds, not very long. Then we're gonna go right back at it and do it, another exercise, push-ups, we'll say, for 30 seconds, and then a little rest, all right? So we'll do that with 4 different exercises. After we do all of those, we'll take about a minute rest, and then we'll do it all again. We'll do it for 3 sets, all right? So you're gonna be just going up, down, up, down. It's gonna be crazy, it's gonna be wild. It's a great way to get your heart rate up, burn calories. It's a phenomenal exercise, all right? So high intensity interval training. Say it with me. High intensity interval training. And believe it or not, those 10 to 15 seconds, that little break, you're thinking that's barely any time, but you will covet it, you will love it, it will be the best. And then you go back into the next high intensity interval and you'll hit it hard and it will be legit. So what we're gonna need is, I believe in this corner over here, if my hand's over here, somewhere in this area, there's gonna be a little timer for you that can help you out. So we'll do our exercises 30 seconds, and then it'll be about a 10 to 15 second break. If you need to take a little longer and do this on your own, that is totally fine. I'm okay with that, all right? But if you wanna hang with us, that's totally fine as well. If you wanna do it too, where if we're doing push-ups and you can do only 5 push-ups in 30 seconds, that is totally fine. Modify it however you can. But if you can do 30 push-ups, 40, whatever, I'm just throwing out crazy numbers, all right, then do that too. You can make this as easy and modified as possible or advanced as hard as you want, all right? So also, if you need to work on some calisthenics, so your push-ups, your squats, any of those things, you can go reference back to the calisthenic videos, part 1, part 2, and I believe there's also a part 3, all right? Making all these videos, crazy. I always forget what I've done, what I have not done. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to get started. So the 4 things we're gonna do jumping jacks, we're gonna do push-ups, we're gonna do squats, and we are going to do mountain climbers. So we're gonna do 3 sets of those, 30 seconds, 10 seconds. Up, boom, 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 boom. It's gonna be great. So remember, timer's right over here, and I'm gonna have my own timer. Oh, don't break the iPad. Don't break the iPad. That would not be good. Not my iPad. All right, so I'm gonna get this all ready, all set up. And before I hit the timer, I'm gonna tuck that shirt in because I mean business. I don't wanna get too crazy. I know I'm gonna sweat like crazy. Whew. I already know it's coming. It is coming, all right? So, first, jumping jack. Remember, basic. All I'm doing is as I told my little kindergartners, make a pencil, make an X, make a pencil. Easy enough. Push up. We know, keep that core tight, keep that booty tight. Hands under your shoulders, down, up. Push up. Since I'm down here, I'll do a mountain climber too. All right? Mountain climber's just like this. So you're in that plank position, but you're bringing your knees up. And lastly, squat. All right? My feet are shoulder width apart. All right? When I squat down, I'm going to keep that bottom back, that booty back. Knees out, just like this, all right? So ladies and gentlemen, jumping jacks, push-ups, squats, mountain climbers. Let's get this thing started. I'm gonna hit that timer. Ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jumping jacks, let's go, all right? So 30 seconds, we're doing jumping jacks. And if you've seen any of my videos before, I'm most likely gonna be talking the whole time. All right, remember, nice and easy. This is only the first set. Got about 10 seconds left, all right? Remember, good form, pencil X, pencil X. You're gonna get annoyed by that, is what it is. All right, 2, 1. All right, 10-second break. We're gonna go into push-ups, all right? Let's get down. Nice and easy, straight back, tight core. Let's do this thing. Ready, go. Nothing crazy. Just going down. Whew. And if you want to, all right, you can do a hand release push-up. Go all the way down to the ground, let go, push yourself up. If you need to work on your form doing that, all right, I have no problem with you doing that, all right? It's an easy way to modify it and also work on your form at the same time. All right, ready? 10-second break. We're gonna get up, shake those legs out. We're about to do squats. You're thinking, holy cow, this break couldn't come any sooner. 3, 2, 1, squats, let's go. All right, nice and easy. Now as we're doing this, there's this CrossFit workout called Murph. It is wild. You run a mile. After you run a mile, you do 300 squats. You do 200 push-ups, 100 pull-ups, and then you run another mile. And the squat is basically your break. It is crazy. Woo! Here we go. And that's it right there. Shake those legs out. We'll give you a 15-second break for this one. All right? So when it's 10, we're gonna jump down. We're gonna do some mountain climbers. Ready? A sit and go. All right? Keeping that core tight. Straight back. You're climbing Mount Everest, ladies and gentlemen. I'm looking for the summit. Woo! Here we go. You are killing it. All right? If you gotta go a little slower, that's fine. All right? If you wanna speed it up, speed it up. Go at your pace, all right? Make it difficult. Get a good workout in. And that's it. All right, so those were our 4 exercises. We got 2 more sets. Breathing. I'm gonna give you a little longer break than usual, all right? But you should be able to tell. You should be able to push yourself. Push yourself, all right? I'm just a man talking to his cell phone, all right? Talking to a camera, all right? You gotta motivate yourself to do this, all right? So if you do this more than once, you should always be getting better and better and better, all right? Also wanna preface, if my timer's a little off, my bad. Try my best, all right? We're gonna give it about 20 more seconds, and then we're gonna jump right in, all right? And as I was saying about the push-ups, if you wanna do hand release, go down, release, push up, keeping that tight core, that tight bottom, nice straight from the heels all the way to the shoulders, all right? Let's go in 3, I'll give you about 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's roll. All right, 30 seconds, jumping jacks. And notice as we're doing this, we're getting a solid full body workout, all right? We're getting upper body, we're getting core, we're getting legs. We're hitting it all, ladies and gentlemen. We're not leaving anything out. We mean business. There we go. And if you think about it, this workout doesn't take that much time to do. You can do it in the morning, wake up, you get your workout done for the day. All right, 15 seconds. Kick those legs out. We're gonna do push-ups. Here we go. Remember, hand release if you want to do it, or if you want to do a variety of push-ups, go ahead, diamond, wide grip, military, whatever. Let's roll. There we go. Tight core, flexing that bottom. Here we go. Pushing the earth down. I'm pushing down. What's up, floor? Get off me, floor. What's up? There we go. Oh, I'm feeling it. Here we go, one more. Nice. I'll give you 15 seconds. Let's do this. And we're gonna do squats, so 10 seconds. You're like, but I just got up. Hey, that's all right. Do what you gotta do. Breathing. Don't stop breathing. That wouldn't be good. Ready, squats. Get nice and low. Knees out. Booty back, you know the drill. Breathing. As I said, doing the Murph in CrossFit, it's a little break time right here. Kind of, a little bit. 4, 3, 2, and 1, nice. Shake those legs out, 15 seconds. And then we'll get another break, 1 minute break. Come on, you got it. You got it, motivate yourself. Let's get down, mountain climbers. Let's roll. I think that was 15 seconds. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really look. Oops. Here we go. Feel it in that core. Driving those legs. There we go. Climbing up that mountain. I'm gonna reach that top. Whew. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. And last one, there we go. Whew. 1 minute break. I might have to, nope, don't have to tie my shoes. Ladies and gentlemen, this is real life right here. I'm sweating, all right? I'm getting a good workout in right now. I hope you are too, all right? We got just less than 45 seconds. We're gonna jump into our last set right here, ladies and gentlemen. Turn it on, hit it hard. It's gonna be good, all right? Breathing the whole time, got about 15 seconds. Jumping jacks, push-ups, squats, mountain climbers, done, all right? 5 seconds, 5, 4, jumping jacks, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Jumping. Whew. I told you, I'm sweaty. Man, I need some deodorant. Gee whiz. Man, give me some of that Old Spice. 15 seconds, or just less. Here we go. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1. Woo! 15 seconds, we're gonna get into some push-ups. Blast that chest, keeping that core tight. You've heard me say that a billion times. Keep that core tight, 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 tight. Woo! Here we go, here we go, here we go. Back it up, let's roll. Go as far down as you can, full range of motion. Here we go. Remember, if you need to, go down, release, up. Sometimes these can be a little harder. Whew. But it helps you work on that form. If that's what you gotta do, that's what you gotta do. Whew. Here we go. This is my workout for the day too, it's nice. That's 30 seconds. All right, 15 seconds. We're gonna get going again. Shake it out, shake it out. I'll give you 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds, we got it. We got squats coming up, mountain climbers, and then ladies and gentlemen, we're done. We are D-O-N-E. Let's go. Man. Here we go. If you got some weight, if you want to be crazy, you can do a goblet squat with a dumbbell like this. If you got a plate, you can hold it like this. If you got a gallon of milk, you can hold it. If you got a baby brother or sister, you got a dog, you got a cat, boom. What's up, cat? Boom. Here we go. Meow. That's 30 seconds. Mountain climbers, and we're done. We're done. 10-second break. 5, 4, 3, 2. Guess what? 1. Let's go. Finish strong. Get to the top. Let's go. Was that guy just shoulder pressing cats? Yeah, whatever. Here we go. Less than 20 seconds. You got it, guys. My hands are slipping on the floor. Here we go. Keep it up. Feel it in that core. 10 seconds. You got it. You can do anything for 10 seconds. I hope. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, there's your HIIT workout for you. HIIT 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 HIIT. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for working out with me today. I will see you later. Peace.